Hundreds of millions of people are now turning to AI search engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity in order to look for exactly what you offer. So if you're invisible in AI search engines, you're missing out on tons of customers that are finding your competitors instead. And with Gemini being one of the most popular search engines and Google pushing AI mode and Gemini more and more in its products, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can rank your business #1 in Gemini search results. I'm going to be walking you through 3 key steps, and actually in the first link in the description, I've actually added a link to my full AI visibility checklist that include these 3 things, but also include many other things to make sure you leave no stone unturned when it comes to attracting more target customers. But getting straight into it, the first thing that I want you to do to dominate AI search results and rank in Gemini is I want you to go to Gemini and ask, what do you look for when recommending your niche, i.e. whatever you offer? Now, I'm going to use this business as an example. They're a self-storage software provider, so they provide software for self-storage businesses. However, what I'm going to show you works for any business. So all you're going to do is type in, what do you look for when recommending your niche? So in this case, I'm going to type self-storage software. And essentially what Gemini is going to produce is a list of everything it looks for in a business's online presence when deciding whether to recommend something. And you can essentially use this in order to generate a checklist that you can compare against your own business's online presence to make sure you're including everything that AI looks for. So to give you an example here, when evaluating and recommending a self-storage software, I, as in Gemini, look at the following things. And essentially it's giving a big list of all the things such as integrations, reporting and analytics, support, scalability, costs, etc. A lot of the things that you may have already thought people look for when deciding whether they should go for your product and service, but you can essentially turn this into a meticulous checklist to go through and compare against your online visibility to make sure you include everything that Gemini is looking for when recommending you. You should then use this to create a checklist. You can write it down on a pen and paper or create an Excel spreadsheet, and then essentially go and type in this prompt. And this is, what do you know about your brand? Search the internet. So I'm just going to replace your brand with the example business. You should do the same with your business. And essentially what this is going to do, it's going to make Gemini search the internet and tell you everything it knows about your business. And essentially all you're going to do is get this answer. You're going to scroll to the bottom and click on sources. And you're going to compare what AI knows about your business to the checklist that you generated earlier. And either if there's something that AI knows about your business that contradicts something that's in the checklist, you should edit the sources in order to make sure it includes the things. And on top of that, if there's something that's completely missing that is in the checklist, again, you should edit the sources in order to make sure it checks off everything in that checklist. How we do that is essentially we look at the sources and you can see when you hover over it, it tells you which source is used in order to provide that information. However, generally, you should be looking to make sure that every single source matches the checklist. And you should essentially either edit the sources yourself. So for example, this is Capterra, G2, review platforms where you would have the ability in order to edit the sources yourself. Or if you don't have the ability in order to edit the source yourself, you should click on the source and essentially you should use a Chrome extension, hunter.io. And what this does, it will scrape the website in order to find the contact information pretty much everyone that works at that business. So as you can see here, we've got emails, LinkedIns of people that work at this business that has a web page that AI is using to understand more about this example business. And all you would need to do is create an Excel spreadsheet of all the sources, either update them yourself or outreach to them using this Hunter extension, which is free, in order to get them to edit the information that talks about your business to include the things in the checklist. It really is that easy. And the only thing that might be a pain is getting in touch with the people. But as you can see, it's found 362 results for people from this business, and we can outreach them on LinkedIn and email to really maximize our chances. So that is the first thing that you should do in order to consistently rank in Gemini search results. The second thing that you should do is, again, go to Gemini and you should use this prompt. Search the internet and tell me what is the best whatever you offer. So all you would do is replace this with whatever you offer, which in this case is self-storage software for the example that I'm using. But again, you just type whatever you do, whether you're a plumber, web designer, whatever you do, just ask it. And if you specifically focus on an area, also say, what is the best, what you do in the target area that you're going after to make it even more specific. And as you can see, Gemini has gone here, it's searched the internet, and it's telling us what the best self-storage software is. Now, obviously, you may or may not see your business in the results. It doesn't really matter, because specifically what we're looking for is the sources that are used in order to recommend our competitors. So all you're going to do is go down to the sources, and this is really similar to step one. Look at the sources that are used in order to recommend your competitors. And essentially, you want to find a list of all the listicles where you're not in the top 1 or 2. And listicles are basically the lists of best of something. So you can see 7 best self-storage software, best self-storage software 2025, tons of different listicles. And this is really important because AI has no personal experience of its own. So it often goes out to look at websites and look at opinions of what the best is in order to provide a recommendation. And one of the best ways in order to hack AI search results, Gemini search results to rank, is make sure that you're in the top 1 to 2 for every single listicle out there, especially the ones that have been used to recommend your competitors. So again, all you would do is you would find a list of all the listicles where either you're not mentioned or you're in the top 1 or 2, and especially the ones that are used to recommend your competitors, as you can see here. And you're just going to go to these. Again, you just open the web pages and you figure out in order to get recommended. Now, again, one of the ways to do that is actually go and use Hunter and get the emails and contact people. However, a lot of these websites will have a way in order to get recommended. For example, this is a directory platform, and often there's some, they're sort of pay to play in order to get to the top. Now, while sometimes that does feel like a lot of money, and I know you're probably investing in a lot of things already, but given hundreds of millions of people are using AI search engines, boosting your visibility can lead to massive ROI. And that's a big reason that I recommend to do things like this. And again, here are more listicles. This one looks a little bit dodgy, but again, we'd reach out to it and we would make sure that we are listed in the top 1 or 2 in order to take your rankings to the next level. Now, before I move on to the third thing that you can do to consistently rank in Gemini, actually in the second link in the description, I'm going to add a link to my free community, Futureproof, which is a AI visibility community where we share all the best practices, blueprints, and exactly how you can dominate AI search results, as well as also having regular live calls where you can ask me any questions and get me to audit your visibility. So if you're interested, check out the second link in the description. However, we're now going to move on to the third thing that you can do to dominate Gemini search results. And this is sort of the combination of the second thing, but applied in a different way. So as you already know, these listicles, these lists of best of something, massively influence AI search results. However, obviously, as you can understand, Gemini, ChatGPT, etc., they're getting smarter at understanding the tactics that people are using to manipulate AI search results. So if you want to bypass that and just skip the queue to rank at the top of AI search and Gemini, what you want to do, I want you to create a listicle. So I want you to create a list of the best of whatever you do, obviously positioning yourself at the top, and ideally not mentioning your closest competitors or anyone that's ahead of you. What you're then going to do is turn this list into an industry report. You're going to title it Your Niche, Industry Report, and then the best providers of 2026. So for example, the company that I mentioned earlier, the self-storage provider, I would do self-storage software industry report, the best providers ranked 2026. And essentially by calling it an industry report, and by ideally including some unique data in that article, that's going to tick a couple of key boxes for AI search results that it looks for when looking for a source. One, it includes unique data, which is going to make it more likely to rank higher up on Google. Gemini uses Google in order to get information and more recent articles from, so it's going to make it more likely to get used. But also the format, it's positioned in a more trustworthy, respectable way, as opposed to just, a list of the best of providers, which is clearly biased. Even though this industry report, let's be honest, is biased, you're positioning it in a way where it's an industry report, some sort of unbiased report that has done unique first-hand research in order to provide and rank the best providers. Now, obviously, this is more of a gray hat or black hat technique, but I found from testing it with different people in the community and testing it for websites that I'm working on, this is one of the fastest ways to just skip and jump to the top of Gemini search results. So there you are, everyone. Those are the 3 easiest ways in order to rank in Gemini search results. If you found this video helpful, you can check out the full checklist in the first link in the description, my free community in the second link in the description, and please like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, because hopefully I'll see you in the next video.